Hi, this is John Hopkins with Grow Funnel Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pass. Um, Hi, this is John Hopkins with Grow Funnel Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to capture the lead source accurately and correctly in Infusionsoft when going through LeadPages. It's going to take a little bit of manual work, but it's really easy to do. So here we are on a lead box in LeadPages, and so we're going to mouse over here so we can edit integrations. We've already have Infusionsoft tied to this and have this set up and functioning. This is something I'm doing for a client that they said that they want to be able to capture the lead source and weren't sure how to do it. And if you've ever relied on Infusionsoft's lead source functionality without any help, it's not great. But this makes it pretty bulletproof. And so what we're going to want to do is we already have the form information in here, so we're going to add a field. And we're going to scroll down to all these functions in here. We're going to look for a lead source ID. And there you can see here it's got an I with a line through it, suggesting that it's a hidden field, which it is. And in this case, since we're going to map the lead source, we get to make up whatever we want here, as long as we keep it consistent on the other end. And I'll show you what the other end looks like here in a minute. So we're just going to call this LS and hit done. And what that's going to do is there's now a hidden field here, and it's going to look in the URL for a what's called a URL parameter that has a variable of ls, and it's going to put the value that is in that URL into that field. And then when we submit that, that will translate in Infusionsoft from that number that it pulls in. And I'm going to show you how this works here in a second. To the lead source. And so let's just jump into Infusionsoft now and go figure out we're in this case, we're going to be sending ads from Facebook. So all we want to know is just where these are coming from. We got some coming from Facebook and LinkedIn and some other places. So what we want to do is we want to jump up to the marketing settings and go to lead sources. And then I think it's 25. We'll look at the old ones here. So Facebook, there it is. Facebook is 25. So we don't even need to copy that. It's two numbers. But so what's going to happen now, and this is the neat part, it's already done. So here we have, let's say this is our landing page right here. And this is all we need to add to the links that we send people to the landing page. So when we create the ad in Facebook, we will just add this to the end of the URL. And so it has a question mark that tells you that everything after this is URL parameters. And there's the ls we set in LeadPages. So it's going to look in that URL for this ls and grab this number and put it into that form. And then when that form gets brought into Infusionsoft, it knows that that is a Facebook Facebook lead source, and it will apply it. And so I've done some testing on this and made sure it works, and this is exactly how it works. It's bulletproof. So what you would probably want to do is create a spreadsheet for all the URLs you're going to use and have a separate spreadsheet, maybe even for the, store these separately, so you know what your IDs are. This won't change, but this part will, depending on the lead source that you're driving from. So if we're going to send, say we're sending from Google, we do 29. And also know that you can create your own custom ones of these if you want to be very specific about which part of Facebook or which, you can be pretty clever about it. Let me also note that this is just one way of getting kind of analytic data into Infusionsoft. It doesn't have to even be stored in Infusionsoft to be useful. I highly recommend everybody that is doing this sort of thing probably would also want to do something similar in Google Analytics if you have the manpower to set that up properly. It'll give you a lot more granular data. But this is a simple, straightforward way of getting your lead sources accurately and effectively in Infusionsoft through LeadPages. If you have any questions, just leave a comment on the video, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible.